Kia ora guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. For those of you who are new, my name is Daniel, and in today's video I'm going to be taking you guys through my beard routine and how I pretty much achieve a nice fuller, thicker beard. Alright, so if you are new to this channel, make sure you do subscribe down below because there will be a lot more fashion, lifestyle and health and beauty videos to come. Also, if you aren't already, go follow my Instagram, which is at Daniel Simmons. I do a lot more photography style photos over there. Now that that stuff is out of the way, let's actually get into today's videos. Beards, you either love them or you hate them, but if you're watching this, you probably do love them. So you have a beard already, but you want to achieve that kind of fuller, thicker look. Well, in today's video, I'm going to take you through it and take you through what I do to achieve that look. So, alright guys, there is a total of 4 products I use on my beard. The products that I'm using at the moment, and by no means am I saying you guys need to use this brand at all. They're not sponsoring, they're not doing anything like that. It's literally just the brand I'm using right now. The brand that I'm using right now is Mo Bros, and the reason I chose them is because they're UK based and it all kind of just comes in one go, order online, clean, simple. Now the package that I got comes with a few extra things, but I don't use them. For example, like scissors and like a mustache wax, and I don't mess with that type of stuff. But what I use is beard oil, beard balm, beard soap, and a beard comb. So in my opinion, all of these products I needed to create that fuller look. Now we'll start with the soap. So what's great about a beard soap is it's actually designed for the beard. They're actually formulated to clean the beard, condition the beard without breaking down any of the natural oils, which is exactly what you need for your beard. You do not want a dry, crusty beard at all. You want your beard to be thick, soft and luscious. I typically use the beard soap every roughly 3 days. I also am using, like a face cleaner and things like that, which will clean the beard a bit. But yeah, the beard soap, I'll use it in the shower at night time. Pretty much what you want to do is get it all rubbed into your hand first, rub it all through your face, make sure you really get in there, get to the skin as well. That is very important. And then what I kind of like to do is I'll leave it in there just for like a minute, and then I wash it all out. Once you have jumped out of the shower, your beard will typically start to dry out a little bit. So this is the time where it's very important to apply the beard oil. You do not need much of it, okay? Otherwise your beard is going to be way too shiny and greasy and just oily. We don't want that. So what beard oil will pretty much do is keep your beard and the skin underneath your beard moisturized. This will help stop any of the itchiness and actually help promote the growth, which in turn, growth equals a thicker beard, okay? So the key here is to keep a healthy base layer of your skin. So remember, just like building a house, the foundation is so important, okay? So the skin underneath your beard, even though you've got hair coming out, is still very important to keep moisturized and clean. With the beard oil, I will use that morning and night, okay? So morning and night I will use for myself 5 drops. I find that's the right amount for the length of my beard right now. Now if you do have a shorter beard, go anywhere between 1 to 3 drops, and then like a medium-sized beard like mine, anywhere between like 4 to 6, and if you've got that big luscious beard, anywhere between like 6 to 8 drops is what I would recommend to you guys. I used to kind of just stop there, beard oil, and I'd be done. But again, recently I've actually been using the beard balm. What's great about the beard balm is it's pretty much, you can use it to help style and tame your beard. This actually allows it to have that nice fuller look when you move it around, and it holds everything in place nicely. So you won't have any of those like random hairs like coming off here or gaps in your beard. You can cover up nicely, and again, this can help you give you that fuller look. What's also great is it does help keep it soft, and guys, seriously, especially if you're going to be cutting up to someone, you want a soft beard, okay? You don't want to wear someone like touches you and it's like touching like a cactus plant or something like that. Now the beard balm I only typically use in the morning, and I use about a pea size. So I just scrape out about a pea size of it, rub it all through my hands, and then start to shape up my beard. Now the reason I don't use it at night is because I don't really need to tame it or anything like that when I'm going to sleep. I just want the beard oil in there, keep my skin underneath moisturized. Now lastly guys, once you've done all that, what is still very important, and I use multiple times throughout the day, is the beard comb. Now with the beard comb, what you actually want to do is always just go down with a downward motion. You never actually really want to brush it up. So always with a downward motion or left to right. You also don't want to go too fast with the comb because you don't want to create almost like a staticness, okay? And you got to also be careful with the hairs. You don't want to be pulling any hairs out, which will then in turn give you a thinner beard. So guys, there it is, nice and easy. That is my beard routine, and that routine has really helped me achieve a thicker and fuller looking beard. Now guys, I also do have to say genetics does play a part, okay? So doing this routine routine if you only grow like a tiny, you know, little weird mustache or little patches there. It ain't gonna help you like that. It's no miracle workout. But if you can grow your hair and you do start growing hair through, it will be great for you guys to achieve that fuller look. Other than that, guys, be patient when growing a beard. It takes time. I've been growing this one now for about 2 months, 2.5 months. And you know, if I keep wearing it, it'll get fuller and fuller. You do just have to push past that awkward stage. And I know it sucks where you don't know whether to shave it or to keep it and you just look hideous. Push past it and you will be happy. All right, guys, so that is today's video. If you did like it, make sure you give it a nice big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe down below because there will be a lot more fashion, lifestyle, and health and beauty videos to come. Also, if you want to see what I'm up to more on the daily, you can go follow my Instagram, which is here at Daniel Simmons. Other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one.